Welcome back to the Grave Digger Show, baby. Alright, there's an abandoned house right around here. And I'm gonna see if anybody's in there. Anybody home? Hello? I'm coming in. Knock, knock. Somebody here? Yo. I think somebody's still here, still living here. It'd be best for me to get out. The abandoned house was a bust. Someone's definitely living there full time. There's a lot of new food in there, canned food, box food, cereals, all kinds of stuff. So, a lot of grocery bags, a lot of alcohol. It smells really strong like beer in there. Walked to the bridge next to that house, and I found this spot with a lot of graffiti. I'm gonna make this home for the night. Under the bridge, urban stealth camp. Let's do it. There's trash everywhere. So, 4 p.m. and the temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna get down to about 42 degrees Fahrenheit tonight. It is a little bit chilly, but it's not freezing. I should be warm up here. Got my sleeping pad up on top of that shelf right there. Got my water bag. I'll get the bivvy rolled out, the sleeping bag. Alright, I think it's time for a step 2, baby. Blue Moon, Belgian style. Wheat ale. Cheers to the GOAT, Steve Wallace. If not for Steve, where would we be? That's tasty. I don't see anybody on the other side. Pretty lucky to find this spot. There's no path. There's no recent garbage. So I think we're all good. There's going to be a lot of train traffic here. The car traffic should die down at night. And there's a switch right there. That's a hand switch right there. So from time to time, someone has to come and operate that hand switch. This place is covered with spider webs. It's too cold to be hammock camping over here because I don't have my underquilt. But if I had the right gear, I could be using my Hojangle hooks right now. These I-beams on this bridge are perfect. They're about 1/2 inch. My Hojangle hammock hooks would have been perfect. But I didn't bring the hammock. I brought the bivvi and the tarp. Trying to keep it kind of lightweight, low profile. Just wanted to get out here and do another urban stealth camp. I was really inspired by the Ramblers. Yo. So I was really inspired by the Ramblers, and I wanted to get out and find something abandoned and sleep in it overnight. The abandoned spot I went to, I checked it out several months back. It was golden. When I went there today, occupied. So I'm not gonna try to tempt my fate. So I came over to the bridge. Sometimes you gotta improvise. So today is Thanksgiving Day, November 23rd, 2023, Thanksgiving in the United States of America. I don't eat meat, and I'm not really a fan of celebrating killing turkeys and burning them and eating them. So I decided to go stealth camping instead. Anyway, we all benefit. You guys get a nice video. I get to get outdoors and have some fun. I think it's time for step 3, baby. Yeah. Step 3. Celebrate Thanksgiving, this one's for you. Step 3.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now. Drop with me now. Drop with me now.
just looking over some of these tags. There's stuff in here from 25 years ago. From here, you can go in any direction, and you can catch many different types of trains. Got one coming now. About 5 o'clock now. Starting to get dark. Ready for another step 2, baby. Alright. We're all set up here. Got the clothes bag for a pillow, air mattress, sleeping bag. Yeah. Look at these spiders. It's pretty big. Grave Digga's all comfy cozy in the bivvy under the bridge with the spiders. Oh my. Hopefully they don't come down here with me tonight. It's time for Grave Digga to cast away off in the dreamland. Peace out. .30 in the morning. Rain is coming down through the wall, and then it's onto the floor where I'm sleeping. Fortunately, it goes under the foam pad, but all this is wet on the outside of the bivvy, and then water runs under sleeping
pad. All the way wet under there.
If I can catch that water in here somehow. So I used that little piece of string. I couldn't get it to drip properly from up here. It's a nylon string. I think if it were a different material, it might do better. Anyway, might as well take advantage of this. Might as well take advantage of this water that's coming down and get a couple liters in my dirty water bag, and then filter it through. Guess that one's got a hole in it. Pineapple, apples and cinnamon oatmeal, green tea. Good morning. That's good. Wasn't too cold last night. There wouldn't have been water running around my bivvy and underneath my sleeping pad, I might have slept a little more, but 7 p.m. went to sleep, woke up, at least got 7-8 hours of sleep. Really good. You know what time it is. Wake and bake. Wake and bake. Wake and bake. Water has infiltrated everything. It's the only dry spot. I spilled my tea over there, but everything is getting wet. Gotta move.
Turned out to be a nice morning. A lot of train action on this bridge. Time to wrap up this stealth camp here. Once again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you to the members. Much love. If you want to see how Grave Digga got to this stealth location, go to the members tab, click that join button for exclusive train content. If you like this kind of video, give her a thumbs up. Go down and hit that subscribe button now. Give her a share. Why not?
Time for Grave Digga to dig out.
Got everything cleaned up. Just gonna pick up my sit pad, my radio, water bottle, pack, put the trash inside the pack, and I'm ready to roll. Leave no trace. If I had a bag and a lot of time, I would pick up all this trash down here and clean up this whole thing.
Ready to get going before the popo comes after me.
Whoop, whoop.
You know what I say on the Grave Digga channel, baby?
Get outdoors.
Peace.